Want free Wi-Fi on your next flight? If you're a T-Mobile customer, you may already have access to free in-flight Wi-Fi, texting, and streaming on eligible flights. Here's how it works. What is T-Mobile's free in-flight Wi-Fi? T-Mobile offers free in-flight connectivity on participating airlines for eligible customers. Key benefits include free Wi-Fi on eligible flights, free in-flight texting, streaming on supported flights, no additional Wi-Fi purchase required. The exact experience depends on your T-Mobile plan and the airline you're flying with. Who can use it? Before you board your flight, make sure you're on an eligible T-Mobile plan. Your T-Mobile number is active. Wi-Fi calling is enabled on your device. You've completed at least one Wi-Fi call using your current SIM card. These steps help ensure the service works properly when you're in the air. How to connect to T-Mobile free Wi-Fi on a flight. Once you're on the plane, turn on airplane mode and enable Wi-Fi. Make sure Wi-Fi calling is turned on. Connect to the airline's onboard Wi-Fi network. Open your web browser. Select in-flight connection on us. Enter your T-Mobile phone number. Tap Get Wi-Fi and Texting. After verification, you should be connected within a few moments. What can you do with the connection? Depending on your flight and plan, you can browse websites, check email, send and receive messages, use messaging apps, stay connected throughout the flight. Some flights also support video streaming. Common issues and fixes. If you can't connect, verify Wi-Fi calling is enabled. Confirm you're on the aircraft's Wi-Fi network. Check that you're entering the correct phone number. Reconnect to the Wi-Fi network. Reopen your browser. Is T-Mobile's free flight Wi-Fi worth it? For frequent travelers, definitely. You can stay connected without paying airline Wi-Fi fees, making it one of the most valuable travel perks T-Mobile offers. To learn more, check out our full post. Link in the description. That's everything you need to know about T-Mobile's free Wi-Fi on flights. If this guide helped, like and subscribe for more T-Mobile tips, carrier comparisons, and wireless plan guides.